What's up? It's Perkin from Steady Trades. In this video, we're going to go over linear regression. So linear regression is a model that tries to relate a scalar response to a more dependent variable, meaning it tries to relate a dependent and non-dependent variable. It's used in machine learning and can also be used in trading. It's a prevalent indicator used by hedge funds. So what I like to do with this indicator is I add two of them to my chart and I set the first deviations to 2. And then I set the second deviations to 3. The 3 standard deviations account for erratic price movements that are unaccounted by volume. So as you can see, this is in the third deviation, up here and down here. So usually when it breaks into the third deviation, below or above, you see a price movement up or down to get back into the 2 standard deviations. So using this indicator to trade, I would wait for a price break above here or down to here, and using other indicators, not this indicator, I could possibly enter calls or puts depending if I want to go long or short. So I'm just going to scroll through my watch list and show you how accurate using this indicator with this strategy is. So Amazon today, it opened massive red candle way under and immediately it retraced back up. Tesla, same story. Opened way under, immediately retraced back up. And as you can see, as it touches the third deviation, barely breaking in, it's a massive selling wick on that candle and it comes back down. Look right here, perfectly touches the third deviation, but it doesn't break above. So I find this strategy actually super accurate when trading on the short time frames. On a longer time frame, like the 1 hour, there can be some delay for the price to catch up. So I wouldn't recommend trading using this on a long time frame. But in the shorter time frames, I think it's very accurate. This is used by a lot of hedge funds when trading, especially in Forex and crypto, and it can be used for stocks as well. So this was a super simple guide about it. I don't want to go too into depth in this video, but I hope that basically explained it in simple terms for you and helped you understand how it works and how to use it when trading. If you have any questions about linear regression, drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and like for more short educational videos like this.